Welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, we have some another exciting news from Apple Company about the highly anticipated Apple Watch Series 10, also known as Watch X. Let's dive into what makes this upcoming smartwatch so revolutionary. As Apple prepares to celebrate the 10th anniversary of the Apple Watch, the Series 10 promises to bring a major overhaul in design, features, and functionality. Expected to launch in September 2024, this new model could redefine what we expect from wearable technology. The Series 10 is rumored to feature a thinner and lighter body with a larger display, potentially up to 49 millimeters. This means more screen real estate and a sleeker, more modern look. One of the most talked about changes is the new magnetic band system. This innovative design will replace the traditional pin and loop mechanism, making it easier to swap bands while ensuring a secure fit. The Series 10 is expected to feature a micro-LED screen, offering better color accuracy, brightness, and energy efficiency compared to the current OLED screens. This will not only enhance the visual experience, but also help in conserving battery life. Health monitoring has always been a strong suit for Apple, and the Series 10 is no exception. Apple is reportedly working on incorporating blood pressure monitoring into the Series 10, which would be a significant addition for health-conscious users. There are discussions about integrating sleep apnea detection, though its reliance on blood oxygen measurement might face challenges due to ongoing legal issues with Masimo. This highly anticipated feature, which would require non-invasive technology, is still in development and unlikely to be part of the Series 10. Battery life is another area where the Series 10 is expected to excel. With the new micro-LED display and efficient S10 chip, users can expect improved battery performance. Additionally, faster charging capabilities will make it more convenient to keep your watch powered up throughout the day. The Apple Watch Series 10 is expected to leverage advancements in Apple's machine learning and AI capabilities. This might enhance features such as Siri and various health monitoring functionalities. The Series 10 will run on watchOS 11, bringing new watch faces, enhanced health features, and better performance optimizations. It will seamlessly integrate with the latest iPhones and other Apple devices, providing a more cohesive user experience. The Apple Watch Series 10 doesn't feature a built-in camera. Apple Watches have historically focused on health tracking, fitness, and communication, rather than incorporating a camera. The Apple Watch Series 10 offers various storage options, with the most common being 32 gigabytes. This capacity provides ample space for apps, music, photos, and other content. As for the price, the Apple Watch Series 10 is expected to start at $399, similar to previous models. Higher-end versions with additional features may cost more, but we'll have to wait for the official announcement to get the exact details. So, there you have it. The Apple Watch Series 10 is shaping up to be an incredible piece of technology with a sleek design, advanced health features, and improved performance. Are you excited about this upcoming release? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Tech Talks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Wait for more videos.